Ninh explains, dealing with a breakup. Wow, sorry you're going through all of that. Going through a breakup is never an easy thing. And it doesn't matter if you've been together 6 months, 6 years, or even 60 years. It's going to be unpleasant and it's going to suck. It hurts, I understand that. I've been through where you're at. And I think we all go through a breakup at one point in our lives. Now, to deal with a breakup, you have to understand what exactly is happening to you. You'll be following something that's similar to the death and grieving cycle, which kind of looks like this. The first thing that you'll probably feel is denial, doubt, and disbelief. This is where you think, it can't possibly be happening to me. You don't actually believe it's happening. Dear Ninh, I am leaving you for Justin Bieber. Love, Sarah. Okay. Wait, what? The second thing that you'll feel is anger. You'll react negatively, you'll have negative emotions, you might react with destructiveness, rage. That talentless man-child, I'm gonna kick your you little The third stage is blame and bargaining. This is where you start to blame things. You either blame your other half, you blame external factors like work, you might even blame yourself. And then you'll try and do something to rectify that. It's my fault. I know I fart in bed a lot, but I can invest in corks and air fresheners. The fourth stage is depression and despair. Now, this is the really sucky one that a lot of people can't seem to escape from. Depression and despair, you basically lose all feeling. You don't know what to feel. You lose motivation to do things. You can't function properly. You're making yourself ill. And in some cases, you feel that you want to end it all. The final stage you'll come across is acceptance. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean that you're happy with the result, but it just means that you've come to a stage whereby you accept it as a fact of life. There's nothing more that can be done about it, and that it's time now to move on with your life, albeit without your other half. Sometimes this can happen out of order, but in my experience, this is the order it generally happens as it pertains to relationships. So I get that now, but how do I deal with it? Now, this isn't something that you can force to happen quickly. What? That stupid bitch! Please come back to me. I'm okay. You've got to be patient with it. Understand that it's going to take some time for you to heal and to go through that process. Be patient, and in the meantime, talk to people, write it down if you have to. Do things that you enjoy. Exercise. A lot, but it helps to take your mind off it and point your mind in the direction of something that you want to happen. A nice holiday, a different career, or some cool experience. Whatever it is, it's going to take some time for you to go through that process, but once you do, life will be a lot better. If you like this video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. Download my free ebook here, follow me on social media there, and on a closing note guys, it's going to suck. I'm not going to lie, but I know what you're going through, and it's not easy. Give yourself some time to get over this, and let me know your questions, thoughts and comments in the comment section below. The first thing you'll... Why is the first thing? The third stage... Third. I don't even know why it's my fault, but you know, never mind. And breathe.